For some, Thanksgiving marks the beginning of the holiday season and is full of food, family, and shopping. But was it always this way? How did Thanksgiving come about in the U.S.? Why do we celebrate it in November? Our first president, George Washington, issued a proclamation that named Thursday, November 16, 1789, as a day of public Thanksgiving, which was the first Thanksgiving celebrated under the new U.S. Constitution. Subsequent presidents would issue proclamations, but they failed to keep any real continuity until President Abraham Lincoln's 1863 proclamation scheduled Thanksgiving as the last Thursday of November. Then, in 1939, President Franklin D. Roosevelt moved Thanksgiving to the second to last Thursday of November to lengthen the Christmas shopping season, but not all states agreed. So for a couple of years, 2 different days were celebrated as Thanksgiving across the nation. This is when Congress finally got involved and established the holiday as the 4th Thursday in November. Turkey has long been a major part of Thanksgiving, but what about that pardoned turkey from the White House? Is he really pardoned? The first president to issue an official pardon for the turkey presented to him was George H.W. Bush in 1989. Before that, other presidents would spare a lucky bird, but President Bush was the first to officially pardon one by saying,
"But let me assure you and this fine Tom Turkey that he will not end up on anyone's dinner table, not this guy. He's granted a presidential pardon as of right now and allow him to live out his days on a children's farm not far from here."
Not all turkeys are so lucky though, and with all that family around, it's common to have an adult beverage or 2 with your meal. Just make sure you stock up before Thanksgiving Day. The Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission, aka the TABC, is the state agency tasked with maintaining the rules and statutes for alcohol sales in Texas. No person in Texas can sell, offer for sale, or deliver any liquor on Sundays, Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day, or New Year's Day. Astute viewers will notice that statute refers to liquor only. The rules are different for beer and wine, which may be purchased on Thanksgiving Day, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day, assuming the retailers are open. However, if one of those holidays falls on a Sunday, you must wait until after noon to purchase beer and wine. The last year has brought the COVID-19 pandemic. We know that this year has brought about new trials and tribulations, but we pray that you will join us this year to be thankful for what you have. If you want some more holiday fun, be sure to check out our ghost hunting laws video. From all of us here at Matthew Harris Law, we hope you have a happy Thanksgiving.